In this part, we will tackle everybody's not so favorite part, building the links. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Welcome to the next part of my Axial SCX10III build series. In this part, we will tackle everybody's not so favorite part, building the links. For the links, you'll need bag D. For step D1, you'll need the following. Now these links are different from most kits out there. They're kind of like racing buggies, where you could think of these links like turnbuckles, and they screw in opposite directions. So this side, notice this line here, you'll have to pay attention to this. So this side with the line here, you turn this rod end in a clockwise direction. Now the other side without the line here, you turn that one in a counterclockwise direction. And I'll check the length of these in just a bit with the manual. The manual is good for checking the lengths of the links, as well as using a micrometer, but the manual is usually pretty good. And that completes step D1. For step D2, you'll need the following.
Ended.
And that completes step D2. For step D3, you'll need the following. Now this link here from this end to this end is 68.4 millimeters. The manual actually doesn't have it to scale for this particular link. The manual has a size of about 64 millimeters or 65 millimeters, but as long as you thread them all the way to the stops, it should be 68.4 millimeters. And that completes step D3. For step D4, you'll need the following. And that completes step D4. For step D5, you'll need the following. And that completes step D5. And finally, for step D6, you'll need the following.
What? Wait.
And that completes step D6, and that also completes building all the links. For the drive shafts, you'll need bag E. And this completes step E1. And this also completes this part of the build series where we finish the links and the drive shafts. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for the next part of my Axial SCX10III build series. Thanks for watching.